Let's take a look at question 17 from Gamma. This is 12.03, that's exercise 12.03. I've been asked to do question 17, and it says there's a trapezium, ABCD, and M is the midpoint of AD, there it is, and we're to calculate the shaded area. So the strategy here is going to be find the area of the trapezium, which is going to be A plus B times the height divided by 2. And then we're going to subtract this triangle here, which is going to be half base times height. So let's take a look at doing that. I'm going to actually redraw that because it's going to be quite small on the sheet here. So, all right, here we go. So it's going to be gamma. It's going to be exercise 12.03. And let's see if we can draw this reasonably accurately. I do hate drawing these things. I can never do them properly. Okay, it's the trapezium, and here we go. It's something like that. Well, that wasn't very good. Okay, but we do know M is the midpoint. Okay, so M is here, and that is the midpoint. So these two sides, these two parts of that side rather, are the same. And we know this is 8 on the side. Well, I'm going to put 8 over here, actually. The height is 8. And we know that this is also a triangle in its own way. And we know that if we've got two sides here that are the same, and this side here is 8, in effect, we've got a smaller triangle here and a larger triangle here, which means that this triangle here must be similar to this triangle here. So in the same way, if this triangle here is similar to this larger triangle here, and this is 8, then this must be 8, but this must be 4 because of the rules of similar triangles. So we've got this point here, this vertical height is going to be 4. Now we know that this is 18 along the bottom here. So if we were going to find the area of the triangle, I'm just going to shade the triangle here so you can see which bit I'm going to be doing a calculation of. This bit here is going to be, so the area of the triangle, area triangle, is half base times height. In this case, half base, well, it's going to be, I'll just go 18 times 4 divided by 2 is going to be 36. So nice and straightforward. So I'm not, these are all in centimeters, by the way. So this on the top here is 10 centimeters. So this is going to be square centimeters here. All right. So the bottom here is 18 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters here and so on. All right, so now we can go ahead and calculate the area of the trapezium. And the trapezium is going to be nice and straightforward. It's going to be, so the area I'll put, I don't know how to draw, I'll go, that's a trapezium, okay. It's going to be A plus B on 2 times H. All right, let's see how that plays out. So A and B are going to be the top, so A plus B. So we've got 10 plus 18 divided by 2 times the vertical height, which was 8. All right, so 28 divided by 2. Well, 28 divided by 2 is going to be 14. 14 times 8. Let's do it. 8 fours are 36. What? What did I just do? That's terrible. Oh dear. It's very late, so I might as well use a calculator. 8 fours are 32, cracky. 1 8 is 8, and 9, 10, 11, so 112. So we've got 112 square centimeters for the area. And we're just going to take off from that. What are we taking off? Oh, we're taking off 36. So when we write this out, it's probably better if we just go area of what's shaded here. And remember, it's not the area I've shaded, it's the area that it has shaded. And here it is, you see. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is, yeah. So we're looking for this area here, that shaded bit, this shaded bit here, yeah? So let's go ahead and do that. So we're just going to subtract the 2. So we're going to take is equal to the area of the trapezium. That's a terrible trapezium. minus, or subtracting the area of the triangle. So we're going to have a 112, we're going to subtract 36, and what's that, 76, yeah? 76 square centimeters. And that would be my answer.